What's going on, everybody? I'm Rico, and today we're going to be talking about the #1 issue with Amazon FBA. So guys, let's go ahead, let's get into it. But before that, if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Rico, and we talk about all types of things, everything from Amazon to general entrepreneurship to e-commerce in general. If you like that type of stuff, make sure you stick around, subscribe, click the little notification bell that's around here somewhere. I'm not too sure where it is, but let's go ahead, let's talk about it. So the biggest issue with Amazon FBA is product research, guys. The biggest issue. It's not making money. It's not the optimization stuff. Like, all that stuff can be figured out towards the end. It's product research. And let's break down why that is. Your business is going to live and die, or die, not and, but live or die based on the products that you select. And let's face it, guys, when you first start with Amazon FBA, you're generally picking maybe, one, maybe two products at most, unless you have a buttload of capital. You guys are putting up $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, and in some cases even more than that, to get a product that you aren't even 100% sure will sell. You better get that product right. Now, we private label drop ship, so that way we don't have to worry about that issue, and we find all of our hot movers before we convert to FBA. But for the people that just go FBA right out the gate, more power to you, because oh man, you guys will lose a lot of money if you get it wrong. And what no one talks about are the people that do get it wrong. And more often than not, most sellers do get it wrong the first time around. They don't get a grand slam product that's making them $80,000, every month. In some cases, you might only make a few hundred, maybe $1,000 off that product. And that's not necessarily to say that's any fault of your own, because a lot of you are listening to, some other sellers or people that have never sold before. So there's people out there that are selling you a course that have never sold on Amazon before, or they sold for such a limited time, just enough to build the knowledge to sell their course. They can't really help you. I mean, if you guys have been in our Facebook group or seen us on live chats with, with other YouTubers, that we're serious about this. So it's not necessarily you guys' fault. But regardless, a lot of people are selecting junk products, and their listings are just tanking before they can even really optimize. Like, you guys can take all the best pictures that you want. You can, do all types of things. And in some cases, you'll get really lucky. Sometimes you'll optimize your product, get PPC going, all this crazy stuff, and it'll just work out for you. But those are rare cases. Most often than not, you get a bad product, you're kind of screwed. And that is the biggest issue with FBA, is that you have all your money tied up in one, maybe two products, and you're hoping that your product research was done right. But guys, it's just like anything else. You're not going to become a professional athlete if you go out there and make a basket one time, or catch your first pass. You're not a professional athlete, and you're not a professional Amazon seller with just that one FBA product. You're still a newbie. You guys are new to the game, man. You guys still got Similac on your breath. You're still walking around in Pampers, brand new. So you can't expect to know all the ropes and be, head honchos and be like, yeah, I'm gonna make, $10, $15, $20,000. Because man, you guys don't even have the skill set yet. So that's gonna be the issue. You guys don't know what makes a good product yet. Like, you think you know, but you really have no idea because you haven't been selling. And when you start selling and you get some, there's a crumb, but you guys start getting all these things together, and you start seeing volume, and you got reviews, and everything's just going well. That's when you start, you start coming into your own. But as it stands, guys, that's the biggest issue with FBA, is that you could literally screw yourself into obscurity based on the product that you select. Now, like I said, a lot of our products, we tell you guys this right off the bat. Like, I can't say a lot, but a few of our products don't really move that much. They might move maybe 10, 15 units a month, per some of these products, but we don't care, because those are being drop shipped from one of our suppliers. We don't care, because all of our other listings are moving. They're making us money. Some listings just don't move. They just you know, for whatever reason, despite our best efforts with product research, you know, me combing through everything, making sure all the metrics are good, they just don't move like you would think they do. You know, there's a lot, some of them have a lot of competition, and, you know, we're okay with that. You know, we're okay trying to squeeze in where there's a lot of competition and offer some value and try to build that listing up naturally, run a little PPC, and, you know, and get to where we feel that it should be. But, you know, I mean, we know what we're doing. You know, we know that we can continue making money with our other products, where you guys are relying on that one product. So that's just been it, guys. You know, unfortunately, that's just the way it goes, and there's really nothing that you can do about it. You know, unless you get Grand Slam products, and more often than not, there's really not too many Grand Slam products out there. Like, despite what people say, they're like, oh, you're gonna get a home run product. Like, it's a rarity that someone gets a home run product that they spend $2,000 on and end up making like $20,000. Like, generally doesn't happen too often. But, you know, that's the issue, guys, all right? So that is the biggest issue with FBA, and that's something that you guys need to take to heart. You know, product research is going to be paramount to your success, but it doesn't always guarantee that you guys are going to be successful with the product that you pick, all right? You guys are newbies. You're not professional Amazon sellers yet, so you're not going to know exactly what to look for because you haven't been selling. So don't be offended if you're not selling a ton or anything like that. Don't get discouraged, because everyone goes through it. I mean, even us, like, you know, we went through it at first. I mean, some of it was by our own design because we're private label drop shippers, so it takes a little while to get that volume up. But since we had so many listings, it didn't matter. We were good to go. But yeah, so that's been it, guys. You know, hopefully you found this informative. Hopefully you really take the time to do your product research, because if you don't, you're kind of going by the wayside and you're screwing yourselves. But whatever, that's on you. You know, you can do what you want, but we're just trying to give you advice. Anyway, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You know, click the little notification bell again, whatever, you know, because we provide content to you guys, man. We like hanging out with you guys. We like interacting with you. By the way, if you guys have noticed, we're doing a giveaway in our Facebook group. The link is in the description below. I think Chris is actually in the lead. He's invited something like 160 something people right now. That's all you have to do, is just invite people to the group. You join, invite people to the group. Whoever has the most invitations wins, and you guys get a free game console of your choice, guys. You know, we love giving things back to you guys because we actually sell on Amazon, so we can afford to give you guys big ticket products. You know, big ticket, you know, items like PlayStations and Xboxes and iPads and all this stuff. And for our students, yo, y'all better have y'all results ready September 30th, because that's when we're giving out our iPad. All right? So the top student, if you guys didn't know, who, you know, in our course, every month they get a free iPad. Like I said, you know, we sell plenty on Amazon, so we can afford to do all those good things for you. But guys, students are watching this, make sure you get your results in. All right? Make sure you get your results in, because we need to see them. We want to see who's the top student of the month, so you guys can get your free iPad. Anyway, peace out, guys. Enjoy. Please be safe out there. Continue kicking, you know, butt. Yeah, I don't think we can't say that. No, can't say the other word. We're family friendly here. But yeah, go ahead, you know, do what you guys do. Keep making some money, whether you're doing it on Amazon, eBay, or the dreaded Shopify, which most people probably aren't making money on that. But whatever. So, yo, good night. Peace out.